Hey everyone, Sycra here, and I'm excited because on pencilkings.com they've finally featured uh, this video series I made called The Ultimate Guide to Photoshop. Now, usually I don't self-promote. I, you know, I just think whatever. If people want to find my tutorials, that's fine. But this one is, I don't know, I'm really proud of it because what it does is it's a digital painting tutorial that teaches you everything. So pretty much like, okay, I've been using Photoshop for about 15 years now, and all the stuff I wish I knew I've put in this one tutorial. So look at all this, like we start with a introduction, skip that because that's lame. But working environment, how to set up your workspace, go to layers. So it starts for complete beginners. If you don't know anything, you don't even know how to go file open. Yeah, so if you don't know anything about digital painting, we start really simple, and then it just builds and builds and gets more advanced. So layers, and then going to transform, and then the pen tool and liquefy and adjustment layers, and how to set up express keys and luminosity and all that stuff. So this is not a photo, this is what you end up with. And so we start, see, like this one's on the pen tool, so just going through it, start pretty simple and just build. So okay, so it looks like that, and then gets more advanced, talking about how to deal with things in black and white, and then moving things from black and white into color. This one's a pen tool again. It's pretty much, it just goes through. See, so now the pairs and stuff looks like that. So yeah, if you're wanting to go from traditional to digital and you don't know how, or if you want to paint like realistically, or you just want to master Photoshop, you want to learn how to do everything, then I think this is, in my opinion, it's the best tutorial on Photoshop I've seen ever. Yeah, and it's only like $10 for the whole site. So like, you don't just get this if you pay that, which, I mean, personally I think it's 100 times too cheap. Like, I don't know, I think education should be free, but I'm just meaning, like, if I paid $1,000 for a course, which I've done before with schoolism courses, and it had all of this, man, I would think it's worth it. So anyway, yeah, I hope you check it out. And if you know somebody who's trying to get into digital painting, they don't know how, they're intimidated by Photoshop, because it is pretty intimidating when you first open it, then yeah, maybe you could direct them to this if you want, because I think it's really good. And I wouldn't be telling you about it if it wasn't. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I hope you check it out.